Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Udemy course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a hyperlink into your Udemy course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a hyperlink to your Udemy course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes you can't convey the information just in a video or text, and you want to link out to a resource. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Udemy instructor dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Udemy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a hyperlink into one of your courses, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see your courses and choose the course you need to add a hyperlink into. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, here on the left side, you're going to click on curriculum. Okay, here is my curriculum. You can see this is an international cooking course, and it's split up into a section about Mexican food and another section about Chinese food. And each one of those sections, they have lectures. So in order to add a hyperlink, you're going to need to choose the lecture. So for example, this one right here is about egg rolls. So if you need to add a new lecture, you can click here, curriculum item, add a lecture, and then just name the lecture and then add lecture. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and add a hyperlink here into egg rolls. And what you're going to do is here on the right, click on content. And once you click on content, click on article. Okay, so here is the section you can add a hyperlink. So for example, this is about egg rolls. So maybe I want to link out to the nutritional value of egg rolls. So we're going to go ahead and type in nutritional value of egg rolls. Okay. And then to add a hyperlink, you're going to just highlight all of the words you want to hyperlink. And then you're going to click here on this little, looks like a little chain. Okay. And then here we can go ahead and add a link. So let's do, okay, I'm going to insert link. Okay. Now you can see we have a hyperlink right here. And then once you've added in the hyperlink, you want to click on save. Okay. They do let you know that the link must be free educational content that does not require a student to register. So for this one, it just links out to a free website, a free resource. So now when someone is working through my course and they get down to section 2, lecture number 5 about egg rolls, they're going to see this right here, nutritional value of egg rolls, and they can click on that hyperlink. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a hyperlink or a clickable link into your course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.